Welcome to the Salab channel, everyone. On this video, I will show you how to make simple IoT project using NodeMCU ESP X266. This microcontroller already included module Wi-Fi, so you can connect this microcontroller with internet network. This part is module Wi-Fi ESP X266, and it was had 30 pins input-output. Before we make the project, we need to prepare a few items. The first one is project board. The function of this project board to put the microcontroller for connecting with each components. This board can help you to make some project easier for installation. The second one is relay module. I'm used relay module with 4 channels, so we can make much output with this item. The third one is wires. This item to connect the main board with output. Fourth one is LED strip. I'm used this LED strip because this LED brighter than usual LED. Because this LED use 12 voltages for input. But you could also use another components for output, such as motor servo or sensor. Okay, the last one is power supply, 12 voltages. This power supply to support LED strip to connect with relay module and microcontroller. This power supply needs 110 until 240 voltages for input and 12 voltages for output with 5 amperes and 60 watts. All items we need to prepare before we start to make simple IoT project. That NodeMCU ESP X266, relay module, wires, output component, and power supply. Okay, in this section I will show you about installation of this project. The first thing you need to put the microcontroller on the project board. Put the microcontroller on the project board, then checking all the pins clearly pinned on the holes of the project board. This is for safety way to your installation. Okay, the next step is wiring. You need to connect the microcontroller to relay module. Okay, on the top side corner, I show you about the schematic, so you could copy that schematic for your installation. The next step is output installation. Do I use LED strip 12 voltages? I need to share you about this installation. we need a few cables to connect the LED strip with the power supply. And we need the power input cable to connect the power supply with high voltage. On the top side corner, I show you about the schematic, so you could copy the schematic for your installation. Make sure you're not wrong to put plus and minus output pins to power supply, because it will be danger if you wrong to put these pins. Before we connect the output to input, we need to check output voltage with multimeters. I'm using analog multimeters here. Make sure the output voltage in 12 voltages. This is the final step of this installation. We need to cover these cables with this electrical tape to lose the short voltage of this installation, and connect the output cables to the relay channel port. And this is the final looks of simple IoT project installation. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell for the notification. Thank you.